Good day everyone, my name is Javanda Gomez and I'm here to show you a tutorial on installing Windows 2008 on the Oracle VirtualBox via a USB flash drive. In my first step, I am going to download an ISO image from google.com. So we're going to do a search, download server 2008. And we're going to click on the first result that shows up. You make sure the language is set to English. You click on download and you're looking for the .iso version. So you take that and click next. So now your ISO image is being downloaded. The ISO image is downloaded and you can see it here on the desktop. My second step, I'm going to download Rufus. I'm going to search for Rufus in google.com and I'm going to click on the first link that shows up. Rufus is a software that helps create a bootable drive from a flash drive. And what you're going to do now, you're going to scroll down and download the latest version of Rufus. So this is the latest version of Rufus 3.3, and as you can see, I already have Rufus downloaded to my machine. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to open Rufus. I'm going to select the flash drive that I want to use. And then I'm going to select my ISO image. And this is on my desktop, so I look on my desktop and there it is. I'm also going to rename to Server 2008. Once that is done, I will click start. Now it will give you a warning saying that it will delete all the files that are on the flash drive, so make sure that your flash drive is empty. So as you can see, it finished. And now what we're going to do, we're going to go into the flash drive and make sure all the ISO files are on the drive itself. And there you have it. We have created a bootable flash drive. So in my third step, which is the purpose of this entire tutorial, I will be downloading Oracle VirtualBox. So I'm going to search for Oracle VirtualBox in google.com and I'm going to click on the first link that shows up. Now, Oracle VirtualBox allows users to run nearly any operating system on a single machine and to freely switch between OS instances running simultaneously. So I have already downloaded Oracle VirtualBox. You can see it on my desktop here. So I'm going to open Oracle VirtualBox and click new. Now I'm going to follow out the information here. So what I'm using as my name, I would use Windows Server 2008. And I'll also make sure that the Windows 8 64-bit is selected in version. Now we have to choose the amount of RAM that will be allocated to the VirtualBox. So I'm going down to 512 megabytes and I'm going to click next. So here we are going with the option create a virtual hard disk and we're going to click create. So we're going to leave it at VDI and click next. And we're going to dynamically allocate the storage size. Now my size, I will choose 10 gigabytes and then click next. So here you can see Windows Server 2008 is on the virtual box. So now we're going to go into settings, and we're scrolling down to network, and we're going to click advanced, and we're going to make sure that we're using the desktop version. And now what we're going to do is we're going to click on start to start the program. So we're going through the process of starting the program. They will ask you for your ISO image. So you're going to locate your image and click start. So the process is starting. Windows is loading files. So we're going to click English and next, and we're going to install now. Skip the serial number since we don't have that information, and we're going to look for Windows Server 2008 Enterprise version. We're going to agree to the terms and click next. So we're going to go into custom and advanced. We're clicking on next, and the download will start. Alright, so the download has been completed, and we are being asked to enter a password and confirm that password. So here you can see we are in Windows 2008, the Enterprise version. Thank you for watching.